All right, welcome everybody. This training is going to be on how you can use the Help Desk website while you're working remotely. We're going to focus on two different areas. One, if you're on your iPad, you'll see an app like the image that you see on the bottom left of your screen. Every iPad has an icon that says Staff Site, which will bring you directly to our district Help Desk website, which is the image on the bottom right. If you've never used this site before, it is going to be incredibly helpful and useful for all of us in how to get answers to our questions, but it's also helpful from the technology and instructional technology department side because it allows us to be more efficient in where we spend our time and how we answer our questions. Along with any one of our videos that we make, there's a couple tips. Whenever you get one of our videos, which is posted on YouTube, one, if you look at the bottom right-hand corner of that video, there's a little gear wheel. If you click on that gear wheel on this video or any video that you watch in YouTube, you can either speed us up or slow us down by changing the speed of the playback rate. So know that whenever you watch a video, that if you're in a rush and you need to speed along the video, go ahead and change it. If not, you can slow us down because it's possible that Brian and I are just talking too fast. Another thing that you can do, you can always watch the video from one device and then you can do the work on another device. So if you want to watch this video on your phone and then you can look for the Help Desk website on your computer or vice versa, just know that those are always options. All right, so now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what the website looks like live. So here is our district website. If you are needing to get to it on your own, if I open up a new tab, all I'm going to search for is tech.elkhart.k12.in.us, just like an email address, and that will bring you right to our district Help Desk website. The Instructional Technology Department and the Technology Department have been collaborating together along with the help of some of our ambassadors to write and make articles and answers to all of your questions, and we put them here. So something that you might get lately would be, let's say you need to know a kid's Google password, right? If I type in the word password, a list of suggestions will pop up down below it. So I've got how I can save passwords on the iPad or how I can find student passwords or reset them. There's a number of different things that you can find on this website. Another question we've been getting a lot of has to do with YouTube because maybe a YouTube video is being blocked. So I'm just typing in the term YouTube and you'll see that how you can use restricted videos, so how you can make those not be blocked for students anymore, how to recover a brand account we've had, but answers to your questions end up being put here. And then when we get new questions, we build new articles that you can find the answers to. This is also where you probably put in your requests, which is what most of you are probably familiar with. These are the ones you've already made, so you can go in and change them. This is how you can put in a new request, so if something's wrong and you need help. It builds efficiencies for both of our teams. Another way to search on this site is to use any of the areas where we have categorized information. So if I know I'm looking for passwords and other information, I'd come to the Student and Teacher Information tab, and you'll see we have a number of different articles made, or you can even click, right? If you need help on accounts and passwords, we've got 7 more articles besides the ones you see here. We've got an additional 10 just on Power Teacher. If I go back, let's say it was curriculum because I'm not sure how I want to do something. We've got plenty of information on how to use different resources. So while we all are on this new adventure together and possibly working from home or from school, utilizing some of the technology resources that we have is incredibly helpful and efficient for all of us. So instead of having to wait for a phone call, just come here. So again, if you just type in tech.elkhart.k12.in.us, it will bring you directly to this website for assistance. The other option is to use that staff website, staff icon that's on